Welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. If you're watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. Our services are absolutely free. And today we are going to deal with reading part C. Question. Just listen and go through the text. Definitely that will help your listening competency as well. We are moving to the next.
Yes, Father.
Q8. What does Dr. Labrath recommend should be done with the sick birds? A. They should be processed immediately. B. They should be killed. C. They should be allowed to recover. D. They should be given Tamiflu. Chilean authorities first reported the incident last week. 2 poultry farms are affected near the seaport of Valparaiso. Juan Labrath, Interim Chief Veterinary Officer of the UN Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, said, once the sick birds have recovered, safe production and processing can continue. They do not pose a threat to the food chain.
So, as I said, if there is a name, you have to immediately look into the name and just go to the name in the text. And you also can use some general sense, common sense that you have. For example, it says, what does Dr. Labrath recommend should be done with the sick birds? If someone is sick, some bird is sick, normally what you do? You kill them?
We allow them to recover.
Yeah, that is a normal thing, right? So normally doctors will not tell somebody is sick, so kill them. No, they should be processed immediately. That is, some bird, some chicken is sick, you immediately start cooking it. Do you do that? No. And they should be given Tamiflu. Cannot be, even if there is a doubt, they should be allowed to recover. Doctors will definitely say, let them recover, or they will do something. Their profession is to make them recover. Okay, that's what we have our general common sense. But here, what he said, now another thing I want to tell you, Labrath, after the comma, there is something. What is this called?
Subject complement.
Subject complement. Just ignore them. Just ignore them. Don't read so that you don't confuse. Labrath said, immediately after what comes after the next comma, that is said, once the sick birds have recovered, they should be allowed to recover. Let them recover. Then we'll go with other things. Okay, so it is synonymous. Once it should be recovered. Hope you have understood. The answer is straight away there. Go to the name and find out the answer. Now you see name is there. Once the sick birds have recovered, they should be allowed to recover is synonymous expression. Ignore the subject complements, whatever comes between commas, just ignore them so that you can defeat time. Opinion word is there, said. That's it. Hope that is clear.